What's up? Danny Heisaker with Call One Inc., helping people do their business better. And today we have another webcam. Yes, webcams are a hot item right now. Everybody wants them, everybody needs them to do all this video collaboration, whether it's work from home, distance learning, telehealth, or you're going back to the office doing some video collaboration. You need a webcam. A lot of them are on back order. So again, we're scouring the interwebs and our vendors and our partners, and we're finding options. And here is an option from CODI, right? So this is an HD 1080p webcam, and so let's just take a look at it. It comes in this little box, all right? And then this is the actual camera. That's the lens. You do have the ability to mount, right? That's kind of a question that we get regularly on webcams. So it's got the little way to sort of mount it to your desktop. Oh, look at this, this thing swivels up and down. That's kind of cool. And then here's the cable. So I don't know, it's probably just like some of the others. You know, the standard length for cables is anywhere from a foot to up to 5-6 feet. So this one here seems pretty standard. Seems like maybe it's like 4 feet or so. But anyway, let's plug this guy in and see what the video quality is like. Stay tuned. All right, so we're back. It's pretty tight. I'm using the built-in microphone. So this CODI webcam does have a built-in microphone. And it does come with a lens cap. It's this little guy right here. I guess you just slide that guy on over the top. But this is yet another webcam that's physically available if you guys are looking. This is actually on our sister company's website, helldirect.com. We'll put the link in the description box below. But again, another option. And this webcam is under 70 bucks. All right, so here's a webcam that's under 70 bucks, 1080p. Built-in microphone, and then this is what it looks like. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.